8 billion passengers access the Indian Railways every single year. This means a colossal amount of human waste. Where is this all going to? Through a hole in the floor. Wouldn't that stink? It is surprising to note that though we are currently a part of the world's second biggest economy, our waste disposal system is very archaic. This unhygienic disposal of feces not only causes a bad stench, but also is a source for contagious diseases. Therefore, it becomes imperative for us to make some changes. And here's where space technology will help us. The Space Toilet and Waste Collection System. At the International Space Station, all objects experience microgravity. In this weightless environment, the waste is carried around by the use of airflow. A suction system driven by powerful fans requires the astronaut to be fastened to the commode. The air used is then cleansed, removing bacteria and bad odor from it using special filters before re-entering the cabin. Solid waste is then separately compressed and collected in individual micro-perforated bags which can be stored away in aluminum cans. The liquid waste, on the other hand, is collected in separate containers where they are treated to be recycled into water.
Here's how we can implement the same for the railways in a more economically viable way. The waste will be collected from the commode and it will be carried by the air with the help of the suction pump. Solid waste will get accumulated in container 1, whereas the liquid waste will get accumulated in container 2. The air will be cleansed as it passes through the special filter. This ensures no bad odor at the washrooms in the trains, and water consumption for the flushing purpose will also decrease considerably. The two containers can be sealed once full and sent to the treatment plants for composting and recycling.
Creating awareness amongst the public about cleanliness and hygiene, offering brochures at railway stations which explain the usage of these toilets, setting up free lavatories in some coaches, cheaper labor cost, free maintenance for a By adopting the existing technology used by the aerospace industry, we are keen to make public lavatories on trains cleaner and more hygienic for the larger of the Indian population, which wholly depends on the Indian Railways on a day-to-day basis.